Hello and welcome. I'm Paul Lawver with the Uline Corporation. The purpose of this video is to provide you with important information regarding your Nugget Ice Machine and how you clean that ice machine. Here today with me is Paige Lawver, who is also a Uline representative. Please make sure you register your Uline Nugget Ice Machine. You can simply register at uline.com, and when you do, you'll receive a free ice machine cleaning kit, which includes the funnel, the tubing, and the ice machine cleaner. If you register within 60 days of your purchase and you've included the TDS inline Claris filter system, you then qualify for an additional +1 warranty, which then provides a full 2-year warranty on your Nugget Ice Machine. We want your Uline Nugget Ice Machine to live a long life and produce the best possible ice for your beverages. The use of a specified Claris inline TDS filter might be required if your TDS levels are above 200. Simply use the included TDS meter that comes with your unit to measure your TDS that's inside your water. 0 to 200 parts per million, a TDS filter is not required. 200 to 400, a TDS filter is required, and if your readings are above 400, you would need to consult with a water professional before you install your ice machine. Salt-based water softening systems cannot be used on a Uline Nugget Ice Machine, and it will void the warranty if used. The inline TDS filters are available online at uline.com for purchase and will be in the video description below. Our specified TDS filters can help reduce these contaminants and provide a cleaner, better tasting ice and prolong the life of your ice machine unit. Cleaning your Uline Nugget Machine is imperative and should be done every 4 to 6 months. Frequency of cleaning depends on water usage and the quality of the water. If TDS is above 200, cleanings might need to be done more frequently. Let's start with the cleaning process. Every few months on the control panel, you'll have the letter CL come up on the display, reminding you to clean your ice machine. The items that you'll need for cleaning are going to be the cleaning kit, which is the funnel, the rubber hoses, and the cleaner, a pitcher, preferably something that you can measure with, a bucket, a sponge or a rag, potentially an inline taste and odor filter, which is separate from the TDS filter. This is only specific to the 3-class Nugget Ice Machine. And then this is the filter head that is required if a TDS filter is being used. Step 1, press and hold the swirl button for 10 seconds until 01 appears on the display. Step 2, remove access shield and all ice from the bin. Step 3, insert the end of the cleaning tube into the ice dispenser. Step 4, slowly pour in 1 quart of hot water, minimum 100 degrees, to melt the ice in the dispenser tube. This step can be skipped if there is no ice in the tube. Step 5, firmly press and release the swirl button. 02 will appear on the display. Step 6, wait for 03 to appear on the display. Step 7, mix 4 ounces of cleaner with 64 ounces of water. Reinsert the tubing. Slowly pour approximately 48 ounces of cleaning solution into the dispenser tube, then remove the tube. Step 8, firmly press and release the swirl button. 04 will appear on the display and the machine will circulate the solution for about 20 minutes. During this time, use the remaining solution and a sponge to wipe down the inside of the ice bin and the scoop. Rinse thoroughly with clean water and pour leftover solution into the bin. Step 9. When 05 appears in the display, 3 soft tones will sound to complete the cleaning phase. Remove and discard the internal taste and odor filter if applicable by rotating a 1/4 inch turn counterclockwise. Step 10. Reinsert tubing and refill the measuring jug with 48 ounces of clean water. Slowly pour 4 to 8 ounces of clean water into the ice dispensing tube. Pouring too fast or too much will result in an overflow and cause an error code 11 at the conclusion of the cleaning. Once all fresh water is depleted, pull tubing out and replace with the new taste and odor filter. Step 11. Press and hold the swirl button. 06 will appear in the display. Step 12. Replace the shield and the ice scoop. The machine will circulate water and perform a series of final rinses for approximately 15 minutes. The unit will resume making ice, indicated by 3 soft tones and the letters I, C, E scrolling in the display. It is advisable to remove the first 10 minutes of ice production and discard. Now that your cleaning is completed, the last step is to take the bottom grill off of the unit and vacuum that condenser out, and that should be done minimum twice a year to ensure good airflow for the unit. Paige and I would like to thank you for watching, and we hope you enjoy your Uline Nugget Ice Machine for years to come.